Stand facing your step with your barbell resting firmly on your shoulders. Inhale, maintaining balance as you bring your working leg to plant firmly on the step. Exhale, driving hard through your front foot and bringing your rear leg up to complete the effort. Inhale as you lower your rear leg back to your starting position, maintaining control and posture. Repeat with good form for programmed reps. This exercise is called the Barbell Step-Up. It's a powerful exercise for my glutes and quads and my core. I've got a barbell and I've got something to step up on. Let's get into it. So the Barbell Step-Up is a powerful exercise for the glute and quadriceps of the working leg. You have to master this exercise by relying on that back foot as little as possible. See how Katie's setting it down nice and soft and she's not jumping on it to get up on top of the box? She's doing a great job. There are 3 ways you can make this exercise harder on you. You can increase the height of your box, you can make your load heavier, or Katie's gonna show us a variation where she challenges her balance by driving her rear leg up and holding that knee up and coming back down nice and strong. She'll do one more just like that. Katie, you're a rock star. Well done.